right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to MolarGold. Yes, today is Monday morning, and we are happy to be live again. Today is a brand new week, and then we encourage every one of you that whatever you are doing, keep it consistent, right? Yeah, and you will make it. Okay. So, yes, let's get to gold one more time and then let's do the analysis and let's see what gold have for us this week. So this week, gold, in fact, last week, I was really hurt, really hurt because I missed the big move. Even though the data was correct, I was correct on the data and everything, I missed out the big move because um, I wanted to follow the 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 rallies of the buy. All right, yeah. So I was really hurt because I know that this thing has to go down. All right. Now we are here. We are here. Emily says, "Good morning, Doc." Good morning, Emily. Um, Insuku says, "Good morning, Doc." Good morning, guys. Um, so gold made an impulsive move to the downside. At this point, I'm expecting that gold should do something like this. Then we continue the down move. Don't forget they can move at the same time. All right, don't forget that. What are we looking at? So I'm going to show you what we are looking at right now on gold. And the reason why we should actually do some scalp trades as well, right? We should do some scalp trade as well. So for now, let's be looking gold a little scalp buys. Okay. What we have? Let's go check it out. So gold actually is doing this move. Is doing this move, this very move. So gold is doing one, 1, 2, 3, and then it's doing 4. So this becomes that. Okay, so this with A, that is with B, and this is with C. Then price will start to go back up. That is what gold is doing. Okay, so we have to watch it carefully and then we go. Okay, yeah, gold is doing this. It can also be a fine triangle like this. All right, where we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and then they will come down. Then we complete the cycle like this. Okay, either ways, for now we just have to focus in the scalp trades, okay, until the picture is clear. All right, until the picture is clear. In Suku, I don't get what you're saying. Benjamin says, "Good morning, Doc, the greatest oracle of gold." Good morning, Benjamin. So this is the reason why I told you guys I was really hurt with gold the last time. I was really hurt because I had the numbers printed even the morning, even a day before. I told you guys gold is a full sell on NFP, right? But I think because we're on the spot and we had a revision, that was what created a little confusion, but everything is fine. Trading can be like that sometimes. Okay. All right. If you watch the waves, you can see clearly from here we have with A, with B, and then with C. This giving us a higher degree wave A. Okay. And with A like this. Then This is the last leg, this one, this red one. In fact, let me use these lines. Okay, so we had this 1, 2, 3 in green. Okay, so um, this green one actually is this one, which is happening right now. That is this green one. Okay, that is it. All right. Then we have this red one. So we're going to give it a nice 5 wave or 3 waves. So let's do it three. One. Okay. No, wait 1 second. So this one also, in fact, let me do it 5 waves so that it becomes clearer because I made this one in threes. So let me make it 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the red degree. Okay, red degree. This is a red degree. So this one is actually this last one, right? Which is here in red degree. Okay. So this it. You can see it is even match the size of it. You can see clearly. Guys, am I audible? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right. If you can hear me, just please type 111. All right. Okay. So we have this red degree which has completed, and that is the red degree. Then let's give a new degree of wave right here, which is 1, 2, and 3. That's 1. And this one, we are going to make it blue. Okay. So blue degree. So this blue degree has completed. This red degree has also completed, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to make it a full degree of wave, which is like this: 1, 2, and 3. And that is the red degree. Okay. And this is the red degree. So this is the red degree. So now let's delete this ones out. So we're deleting all of this out. All right. So this is a red degree. Then now, what do we have? What do we have? We have the green degree. Okay. So let's extend the green degree like this. 1. Oh. 1, 2, and then 3, like this. So this is the degree. So we have done this 1, 2, and 3. So this one has to complete down here. Okay, this way it has to complete. Then we can. So let's take out this guy out. This one. Let's take this guy out. So this is the green degree. 1, 2, 3. You can see it. So we are left with this last move, and then the cycle is completed. Right? Once we get into that area, we can look for a buy. So this is what we have to be looking for. This is the zone we have to be looking for. Right? So we'll be looking for this zone. This zone. Okay, so we're looking for just this zone. That is the zone we should focus in. All right? This is a zone. When we get into this zone, price would have to start moving to the upside. Okay, when we get into this zone, price will start to have to move into the up move. Now we have seen the overall. Okay, we have seen the overall. Let me delete all this baby stuff because I wanted you to understand what I'm doing. All right, now we are here. This is where we are. We have this impulsive move, and then we are going to look at it critically. All right, so let's go look at the impulsive move. So this move started 1, 2, and 3. So let's check it out. So we are going to check it out. So this cycle completed right here. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3 completed. And then we have all of these and all of that. Okay, like I said, price can go immediately into the zone. It can just pour into the zone, right? However, we're going to change and check what is to happen. Okay, now we have to do at least some kind of retracement. And when we look here, we didn't break the bottom, so that is fine. So we should have at least we should have these guys coming here. We should have these guys coming here. If they don't come there, okay, then they will go quickly. They just go. It means that the sell is set and they are just going, right? So it's either we would go one more up, one more up like this, and then we start dropping all the way here. So it's either we come here and then we drop, or this is all the corrections we are going to have, and that ABC correction is perfect for them, and then they just drop it all the way into this area. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to have. This is what we are supposed to have, and that's how we are going to look to the market, and then we're going to trade. Okay, so whatever is going to happen, if you are not already in this sell, that is fine. And if you are not in this buy, that is also fine. Then we have to wait, because we can either go up like this and then we drop all the way down, or we just drop in. So you can take the risk. Okay, you can take the risk of the direction you want to go. Okay, you can take the risk. It's very, very simple, right? Risk is risk. You can take it, and then you enjoy it, right? That's basically it. Okay, so now that we have seen the plan, we have seen the big boys plan. What are we going to do? The big boys, their plan, we have seen it. What are we going to do? I always tell you guys. So let's go to the 1 minute, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the 1 minute, and you can see that we already have this. We already have this. Where is the stuff? Okay, we already have this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it looks like they are doing 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then they will go back up like this. So this becomes with A, this becomes with B, and that is with C, and then price would drop. All right, that is what it looks like. Like I said, the overall trend is down. So when you're looking, also you have to look at the other side. So this is also a small correction like this, and then they can just drop it. Okay, so we have to be very vigilant when we are trading this kind of stuff, because the direction is one. However, it can make other possibilities before the real move. Okay, so now that we have seen this, either they play out this move, undo, either they play either they play out this move, this one like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then they have done 1, 2, 3 correction. So they will do a 5 to the upside like this, and then they will drop. Okay, that is fine. This is where the course that I am actually working on comes in. Okay, it's a course that is going to help you to understand market dynamics. Okay, it's a very simple course, and when you are done, I'm going to give you a powerful indicator that will also help you to do the analysis accurate like a pro, right? Yes, and the course is just $65. Just $65. So $65, and you are good in the course. Okay. By the time we are done with the course, you would see that yes, you have the value for money, right? Good. Now look here. It's either they break and they are going, okay, or they will jump like I tell you, they will jump like this, they go up, they'll do like that. They can be doing this for a very long time. We don't know what they will be doing this. But ideally, they can break and then they go. Ideally. All right. That is what they should do. You remember last week when I told you, ideally, price have to drop first. That is the ideal movements. Okay. Price have to drop. That is what the wave analysis suggests. So price have to drop first, right? Ideally. Okay. So the same thing is happening right now. All right. Ideally, we have to go up like this before we drop down. That is the ideal situations. All right. So now we know that okay, this is what, because you can see clearly move 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is done, and they have to go all the way to the top like this before they drop. Right? Very, very simple. Very, very simple stuff. Okay, so you can have something like this. You can have something like this. All right, where is this stuff? Okay, and this one, bingo. So we can have something like this. So they can come all the way to this app, right? All you have to do is use your trend lines. All you have to do is use your trend lines, and that's all. Okay, yes. So ideally, they have to climb all the way to this up here into this box, then they drop. Okay, if they don't do that, then they're going to do the small one. Which one is the small one? This one. And then they drop. Okay, but the top one is very, very ideal for us. All right, guys, at this point, I think I've spent a lot of time today, and that is that. So if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. My name is Dr. Mola, and I say bye for now, guys.